Is artificial intelligence a friend or a foe? As we stand on the precipice of a new era, we must consider the ethical implications of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a distant concept from science fiction novels. It's here, and it's transforming the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But as we welcome these advancements, we are also faced with a new set of ethical challenges. AI ethics is a burgeoning field, focusing on ensuring that the development and application of artificial intelligence align with our human values. It encompasses issues of fairness, accountability, transparency, and privacy. Fairness in AI is about ensuring that the technology is unbiased and does not perpetuate existing inequalities. It's a tricky area, considering that AI systems learn from data, and if the data is biased, the AI will be too. Accountability is another critical facet of AI ethics. When an AI system makes a decision, who is responsible? Is it the creators, the operators, or the AI itself? These questions are becoming increasingly important as AI systems become more autonomous. Transparency, on the other hand, is about understanding how an AI system makes its decisions. It's important because it helps build trust in the technology. However, with complex AI systems, it's often difficult to understand why they made a particular decision. Lastly, we have privacy. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they require more data to function effectively. This raises concerns about how our personal information is being used and protected. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we must ensure that these machines, born of our own intelligence, do not become a threat to our ethical standards. It's a delicate balance, but one we must strive for, as the future of AI could shape the future of humanity itself. And so, we stand on the cusp of this new era, eyes wide open, ready to explore the ethical landscape of artificial intelligence. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we must ensure that these machines, born of our own intelligence, do not become a threat to our ethical standards. Consider the case of predictive policing in the United States, a real-world example of the ethical implications of AI. Predictive policing, as the name suggests, involves using data-driven analytics to predict potential criminal activity. It's like a weather forecast for crime, but instead of predicting thunderstorms or sunny skies, it's predicting burglaries or assaults. The goal is to use this information to deploy law enforcement resources more efficiently and effectively. But here's where things get tricky. The data being used in these predictive models often includes historical crime data. On the surface, that might sound reasonable. After all, if we're trying to predict future crimes, past crimes seem like a good place to start. But remember, this data doesn't just show where crimes have happened. It also reflects where police have historically focused their efforts. In many parts of the United States, law enforcement has disproportionately targeted minority communities, leading to a surplus of crime data from these areas. When this biased data is fed into an AI system, it can result in a self-fulfilling prophecy. The system predicts more crime in these areas, leading to more police presence, more arrests, and thus even more data indicating high crime rates. This raises some serious ethical questions. Is it fair to use data that may be biased in the first place? Is it just to use these predictions to justify increased law enforcement in already over-policed communities? And if these algorithms are making predictions based on biased data, are they not just perpetuating and amplifying existing discrimination? These are not just theoretical concerns. There have been numerous reports of predictive policing systems disproportionately targeting minority communities, leading to allegations of racial bias and discrimination. It's a clear example of how AI, if not carefully managed, can inadvertently reinforce societal biases. This case serves as a stark reminder that AI, while powerful, can amplify existing biases if not properly monitored and regulated. Another striking case is the rise of deepfake technology, where AI is used to create hyper-realistic videos of people saying or doing things they never did. Imagine waking up one morning to find a video of yourself online, engaging in activities you've never undertaken, mouthing words you've never spoken. That's the power and the peril of deepfakes. This technology, powered by machine learning algorithms, has the ability to blur the lines between reality and fiction. But with great power comes great responsibility. and the ethical implications of deepfakes are indeed profound. At the heart of the deepfake dilemma lies the violation of privacy. When someone's likeness is used without their consent, it infringes on their right to control how their image is used. This can lead to reputational harm, emotional distress, and even potential legal issues. Beyond personal violations, deepfakes also pose a significant threat to our collective understanding of truth. They can be a potent tool in the spread of misinformation, creating confusion and distrust. Imagine a deepfake video of a world leader declaring war, or a business tycoon announcing bankruptcy. The damage could be catastrophic, and by the time the truth comes out, it may be too late. Moreover, deepfakes can be weaponized for political manipulation. By creating videos of politicians saying or doing things they never did, bad actors can influence public opinion and undermine democratic processes. In the face of these potential dangers, it becomes essential to emphasize the need for AI transparency and accountability. We need to develop robust systems to detect and combat deepfakes, as well as legal and ethical frameworks to guide the use of this technology. As we witness the potential damage of deepfakes, we must ask ourselves, is the cost of AI innovation too high? The answer to this question will shape not only the future of AI, but also the kind of society we want to live in. As we stand at the crossroads of AI advancement and ethical considerations, it's important to navigate this new landscape with caution. Reflecting back on our journey so far, it's clear that the ethical implications of AI are as vast as they are complex. From predictive policing to deepfake technology, AI has the power to transform our lives in both positive and potentially harmful ways. Central to navigating this landscape is the need for fairness. As we've seen, unchecked AI can perpetuate and amplify societal biases, leading to unjust outcomes. It's crucial, therefore, that we strive for algorithms that are free from prejudice and discrimination. This goal, while challenging, is not unattainable. It requires a concerted effort from programmers, users, and regulators alike to constantly scrutinize and refine these systems. Accountability is another key factor. When AI systems make decisions, who is responsible? Is it the developers, the users, the AI itself, or a combination of all three? These are questions we must answer as we move forward. Transparency, too, is essential. We need to understand how AI systems arrive at their conclusions. This is not just about demystifying the black box of AI, but about ensuring that decisions made by these systems can be explained and justified. Privacy is another major concern. As AI becomes more pervasive and powerful, so does its potential to infringe upon our privacy. We need to ensure that our personal data is used responsibly and with our explicit consent. To ensure ethical use of AI, we must explore potential solutions such as policy changes, public awareness, and technological safeguards. Regulating AI is a complex task, but it's not impossible. It requires a global dialogue involving all stakeholders, from government and industry to academia and the general public. As we continue to innovate and evolve, we must remember that the ethical implications of AI are not just theoretical questions, but real issues that will shape our future.